In this video, we're going to analyze Ai Enma's quote from Hell Girl. First, let's watch the scene and then we'll go over the grammar.
闇にまといし哀れな影よ、人を傷つけ貶めて罪に溺れし業の玉、いっぺん死んでみる、いっぺん死んでみる、いっぺん死んでみる。
So today's quote is いっぺん死んでみる. いっぺん means one time. You might know ikkai or ichido, which also means one time. They are interchangeable most of the time, but いっぺん is more casual and colloquial. For example, その映画はいっぺん or 一回 or 一度見たことがある, meaning I have watched the movie once.So you can also say 一回 or 一度死んでみる. But with いっぺん, it sounds like dying is a very casual and easy thing, which makes her sound more cruel. But there are differences between them. いっぺん or 一度 can also be used as emphasis. For example, 一生に一度のお願い, meaning a once in a lifetime wish.On the other hand, 一回 is simply used for number of times. For example, レッスン1回分の料金を払った meaning I paid a fee for one lesson. Also, いっぺん and 一度 followed by the particle に means all at once or at the same time. In this case, you don't usually use 一回. For example, 人がいっぺんに or 一度に押し寄せた meaning people swarmed in all at once. 死んでみる means try dying. The grammar formation is te form of the verb plus miru, and it means try doing something. For example, 食べてみる、飲んでみる、聞いてみる、見てみる、読んでみる、書いてみる。Please note that this miru, always written in hiragana, is different to the verb miru, meaning to look. Also, this phrase in a question is used for making suggestions. For example, このお菓子食べてみる? meaning, do you want to try eating this snack?あのお店に行ってみる? meaning, do you want to try going to the shop? So, いっぺん死んでみる means, want to try dying once? That's all for today. Thanks for watching.